Listen, Fiverr gig ranking is no rocket science. It is dependent on these three things. Number one is the Fiverr algorithm, which Fiverr customer care has the only explanation to give to what is going on behind the scenes. Second one is the keywords. The keywords in your title, the keywords in your description, and keywords scattered all over your gigs. They all determine how far your gig is ranked on the Fiverr search pages. Then the third factor is your Fiverr level, your response rate, your delivery rate, reviews, and all of those things. But the most important of them all is the keyword. The keyword determines how well placed your gigs are on Fiverr search engine. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a free keyword tool made specifically for Fiverr that will help you pull relevant keywords that will help your gig rank on Fiverr search engine. So with this particular free tool, your chances of your gig ranking on Fiverr first page is very high. So without further shalaye, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so this is Tony here. So let's go over to Fiverr first. Okay, so this is Fiverr. Let me go to home. Let me go to home first. Okay, so this is Fiverr. And if you come to the search box, okay, you see a keyword there. It said, so that's to tell you that keywords are very, very important. Very, very important. You see, they say try building mobile app. Okay, this is keyword. This is a keyword. This is what a customer should type when they come over here. A customer doesn't just come and sees your profile. No. Something will lead them to your profile, and that is the keyword that you use in setting up your gig. That is why this video is very important. Okay? And it's very important that you pay attention to keywords while setting up your gigs. So, these are keywords, just short-term keywords. We have website design, WordPress, logo design, drop shipping. Okay? But there are long-term keywords. If you use these keywords are so competitive. Okay, let me type WordPress here. WordPress. Just an illustration. I will get to the free tool. Okay, I'll get to the free tool. These keywords are so competitive. See, WordPress alone, they are so competitive. Okay, we have over 94,000 services available. That's so huge. Okay, so but if you use them, you rank. But it's very, very difficult for you to rank. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so what do? I advise you use long-term keywords. Long-tail keywords are keywords that are more than one. This is just a keyword. Okay, keywords that are more than one are like WordPress website speed optimization and all of that is a long-tail keyword. Okay, but not just using long-tail keyword. You need keywords that are very relevant to your gigs. Keywords that will help your gigs rank. Okay, that the Fiverr algorithm is recording at the moment. Okay, so how do you do that? That is where this tool comes in. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description. This tool, keyword.io/tool/Fiverr longtail finder. Okay, this is a tool and it's totally free. Okay, so all you need to do is, let's assume that you have a gig you are setting up under programming and tech, and that's under WordPress. Okay, under WordPress. All I need you to do for me is go over to this tool, okay? Type WordPress, type the major keyword for that niche or the gig that you want to set up. Just type WordPress and click on search, okay? So wait for it to do its magic. You just get to wait. My network is a bit slow, so let's just wait for it to do its magic. Hold on. Okay, by the way, while you wait for this, please, if you're watching this video and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, okay, you are just 10 subscribers away from hitting 3K. If you're not yet subscribed, please do that. Okay, hit on the red subscribe button. This is the button. Please hit on that and subscribe right now. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, I have to continue with my phone. Okay, I was having issue with my laptop. It wasn't going through. Okay, so this is the keyword.io. Okay, so here I entered WordPress under my Fiverr. Under Fiverr. Okay, this is Fiverr meant specifically for Fiverr. If you check other places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, These are all search engines. You see, Play Store has its own search engine, Alibaba has its own, and every other search engine, they work differently. Okay, so also Fiverr. Okay, that's why this tool is very, very nice. It's specifically made for Fiverr algorithm and search engine. Okay, so when I enter WordPress here, if you scroll down, okay, you will see the keywords, relevant keyword pulled from Fiverr. Okay, so you watch attractive WordPress websites, build WordPress websites. Okay, in all this, like, it gave you keywords. If you are opening a gig, okay, if you are creating a gig, all these are necessary keywords for you to rank. Most especially, let's take for example, you want to open a WordPress or a website, a WordPress website gig. Okay, this keyword is very relevant to you. Build websites. Okay, business WordPress website design. These are relevant keywords. Like, you can't miss this. This all of, if a buyer is coming to Fiverr, he or she will either search business WordPress, okay, a WordPress, or it can see, the person can search business website, or the person can search business website design, or the person can search WordPress website design. So when you enlist this 1, 2, 3, 4 keywords in your title and have them embedded in your description, definitely your chances of ranking that gig is very high. Okay, so also if you are scrolling down, all of these, like all of these things, all of these keywords, all of these keywords, they are all relevant. Okay, so choose the one that is most suitable for the gig you are trying to build. Not just WordPress. My network is very slow today, I don't know why. So not just WordPress as a keyword, you can still enter words like content writer. Okay, content writer. I know it won't load up because the network, look at, is in, will I call this 2G or 4G? It's very, very, very slow. Okay, it's loading up. Okay, thank God. So loading 20 keywords for content writer. So if you come down here, you will see that it gave you relevant titles which the keywords are embedded in it. Like, very, very simple. You see, Amazon content writing. This, if you have a gig on Amazon, Amazon writing, see this blog content writer, very relevant keyword. Blog content writing services. Then you know how to fit in your title. Okay, so these are social search engine optimization content writer. This tool is very, very, very important. Okay, it's very, very important. Why? Because this is pulled, all these results are pulled from Fiverr search engine algorithm. Okay, so I'm not just saying this up. Okay, if you scroll down here on About Us, you read about Fiverr here. Do well with as they could. Okay, see, thoughts to improve a bit of fun and adventure. Fiverr differs from other online. Okay, this is the main reason behind the formulation of this software. One software is available for free. This use sources from the internet, such as Fiverr. You see, just as Fiverr, to determine the exact preference of the public as large. So if you have this tool at your disposal, please make use of it well. It is very, very necessary if you really want to rank your gig on Fiverr. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please pardon me, my network is so slow. I could have used my PC to record this video, but I couldn't. Okay, but pardon me, and I think you had one or two to take away from this video. Thank you guys, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe, okay? I will appreciate that a lot. This is Tony saying bye for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.